Have you been trying to grow your Facebook page with followers, but you find it very hard? It is very hard to grow a large following on your Facebook business page organically. It takes a long time and takes a lot of effort. But there is an easy and also cheap trick to do it with Facebook ads, and it really doesn't cost too much. And having Facebook page followers is not just a vanity metric, because think about it, if potential clients, they are interested in you and your business, and they go to your Facebook page and you have 10 followers, it's not going to look too credible like you are an established business. So having a decent amount of followers also gives you credibility. And having a business page with a decent amount of followers also give you the opportunity to post content to them, so that you can nurture them, and hopefully they will become a client one day. But let me show you how you can do it really easy and fast and also cheap with Facebook ads. So here I'm in my Facebook ad manager, and you go to the green button here, click create, and then you want to find, previously there was an objective called Facebook likes, but now it's under engagement. If you're unsure, you can actually find it here. You can search for it using the old objective. So here it was page likes before, and then Facebook shows you that it's under engagement. So then we click continue. So then we give it a name, page likes, like campaign. Okay, and it's not a special ad category. Bind type auction is fine. Campaign objective engagement, yes. You can go and see what it is. That's what we just chose. We don't want to do A/B testing. Advanced campaign budget optimization. Yeah, you can do that. Daily budget. Yeah, I recommend daily budget. But for a page like campaign, you can do it very low. You can do it like $2 actually. You will also get pretty fast result with just $2 a day. You can do as much as you want. The more you spend, the faster you get your page likes. It's a very, it has a very steady price per page like. It depends a little bit on your niche, but you can get it from 2 cents to around 10 cents. It depends on which country you're targeting. Some countries are more expensive than others. For instance, India is one of the cheaper countries to target, and USA is one of the more expensive countries to target. But it can be good to start with just doing worldwide and just get a lot of page likes, and then later on you can niche it down, or not niche it down, but you can start to target just the area where most of your clients would come from. And it will be more expensive, but then you also get followers who are more likely to become clients. So let's just continue here. Click next. You can give it a name again. Page like. So then you select Facebook page, it's already selected. Performance goals, maximum number of page likes, yes, that's what we want. Make sure you choose the correct Facebook page. And the other things you don't have to touch. And then you click location. Mine is set for Denmark because I live in Denmark. So you can just change that. I would do, for instance, like in the beginning, I would do worldwide. You can see here countries, you can select all, and then it would be worldwide. It says it here. Oops. And then age, don't limit that either. You can do it later on, maybe if you are certain that your target audience is only a limited age range, but otherwise I would recommend to leave that open also. Also all gender unless you're really certain that your target audience is a certain gender. All demographics, you can also put in a certain interest, but like I said, just especially in the beginning, just leave everything open. All languages, I would also leave that open. For instance, a lot of people, if it's in English, a lot of people in other countries, they also understand English. So, yeah, this one we don't touch. Placement, yes, we choose Advantage Plus placement, that way you'll get the most and the cheapest likes, and just click next. Now we are in the ad level, give it a name again. Facebook page is selected. We don't want it to show up between other people's ads, so deselect that. Ad creative, then you add a media. They can be just an image is fine actually. It doesn't have to be anything too complicated with the page like campaign. It can be just a picture of you or something that is related to your business. So I'll just choose some picture. Let's choose this one. Click done. And then you have to put some text there, primary text. I would write something like, I have actually previous ones because I used to run a page like campaign, so I can add that, but otherwise you just write something short, write something, give people a reason to follow you, like follow me to learn about this and this, whatever you're teaching people or whatever they can expect to learn from your page. So I write, follow me to learn all about how to get leads with Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. We are an ad agency specializing in getting leads for coaches and consultants. And then right now for limited time we create and manage to optimize your ads for free for the first 2 weeks. Click the link in the bio to learn more. So that's fine, we can use that. Let's see. So I actually have other options here also. We can add several options. You can add up to 5 options, that is 3, it says 3 of 5 here. And there's no headline, there's only the primary text here when it's a page like campaign. So that is actually it. Now it's finished. And you can just click publish. And yeah, then Facebook is gonna check that everything is according to their rules, and then they're gonna publish it, and then within a short amount of time you're gonna see page followers on your page. So yeah, I hope it was useful. Comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friends and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And yeah, please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Yeah, and if you're interested in learning more about our Facebook ad agency, we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs. You can click a link in the description to book a free call with me or my team to learn more about it, completely non-committal. And also please, you can get in the description, there's a free download for a Facebook ad template for coaches and consultants. If you're running your own Facebook and Instagram ads, then you can follow that. It's going to help you a lot to set up your ads correctly. So yeah, have a great day. Take care. Bye.